Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In last week's video, I showed you how I made beautiful home decor using Dollar Tree wreath forms. And in today's video, I've got two more ideas to share with you. Now let's get started. The first thing I did was use a strong adhesive to glue together 8 of the wreath forms. Here, I'm marking where the wreath forms connect, and I'll only add the adhesive to those areas. Once I was happy with my design, I allowed it to dry overnight. The following day, I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it one coat of black spray paint. I'm using the black paint as a primer, and once that was dry, I added 2 coats of gold metallic spray paint as well. To complete the design, I wanted to add something to the center. I considered a Dollar Tree mirror, a Dollar Tree gold canning lid, and a large gem. I ended up finding a small rhinestone gem that I thought would add a touch of glam to this somewhat modern look. For idea number 2, I'm gluing together 3 more of the wreath forms, and I'm adding Dollar Tree metal ribbon with thumbtacks using the same method that I used in last week's video. When cutting the metal ribbon, I made sure to leave some of the border intact, otherwise the ribbon becomes jagged and a bit unsafe. I made 2 of these pieces, and I added one of these 12-inch Dollar Tree wood rounds to one of them. Next, I'm gluing together 1/4 by 12-inch square wood dowels that I already had at home. I've had these for a while, but I believe I purchased them from Michael's for about $3 or $4. I'll look for something similar and add a link to the description box below. I glued together 9 of the wood dowels, and when the glue was dry, I added more of the Dollar Tree metal ribbon. These wood dowels are solid wood, so you won't be able to use your thumbs to add the push pins. Here, I'm adding a drop of hot glue to help hold the push pin until I can hammer it in place. But to avoid the glue strings, I ended up using a pair of scissors, and that method worked a lot better. Now that I have all 4 pieces, it's time for spray paint. I again used the black paint as a primer and then 2 light coats of the gold metallic spray paint on top. Now that my paint is completely dry, I'm adding some of these super cute gold jot push pins that I also found at Dollar Tree. I'm using these push pins to lift my design slightly from the floor. For this project, I'm using 2 12-inch craft mirrors that I already had at home. I used a strong adhesive and a small amount of hot glue to attach the legs to the top of my 12-inch craft mirror. To complete the project, I added my second 12-inch craft mirror to the top of my design, allowed it to dry for a full 24 hours, and when I was done, I had something that looked like this. I wanted to replace a gold stand that's in my half bathroom, and this new mirrored stand was perfect. I'm really happy with how both projects turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. And be sure to come back next week. I found these bamboo rings at the Dollar Tree, and I'm excited to share with you what I did with these as well. If you enjoyed this week's video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And check out my online store at www.glamhomedesigns.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!